school and nursery kids, book concept words, additional activity material required, picture card, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. So parents will take print out of picture card. This is a humble request to you. So show the picture card to the child. आप babies को पहले ये picture card दिखाएंगे. Tell the child here is green color parrot. This is a parrot, okay? Its name is Gritto Green. Wow, Gritto Green इसका नाम है. It has long tail with red beak. Okay. So show the sparrow picture. Yeah, this is sparrow. Show the sparrow picture. Now recite the rhyme along with child. चिड़िया रानी तुम हो सयानी, सुबह सवेरे उठ जाती हो, ना जाने तुम क्या गाती हो, ची ची गाकर तुम सारे काम अपने कर जाती हो. So let's enjoy this activity. To the school, this is an additional activity, nursery kids. So here is a picture cards, as you can see. हाँ, so this is a sparrow, okay? So ये अपने बारे में क्या क्या बोल रही है? ये बोल रही है ची ची. Hello friends, I am a little sparrow. ये अपने बारे में बता रही है आपको. I have sharp beak, with help of my beak I eat my food. ये देखो, इसकी जो ये beak है ये बहुत sharp है और ये बता रही है अपने बारे में कि I have sharp beak and with the help of my beak I eat my food. ये मैं अपना सारा खाना जो है वो अपनी beak से खाती हूँ. My color is brown. मेरा कलर कौन सा होता है? Brown. And I can fly so high up in the sky. And I can fly so high in the sky.